Now guys, I am running late. Nothing new. But anyways, what's going on you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing absolutely fine. I am back with another video. I'm done with all my exams. Today I'm gonna be heading out to Mysuru by myself on my bike, and if you guys couldn't already tell, I'm a tad bit too excited because it's my first time riding solo all the way to Mysuru. Never ridden this distance, and I'll be taking you guys along. Let's go. You guys are also in for a surprise because I'm a B motovlogging. Yes, I got my motovlog setup done on my new helmet, and we should actually get going because I am running late, extremely late. I planned on leaving around 5:30 a.m. in the morning, but now it is what, 7:30. Why am I still vlogging, bro? Let's go. Now there is quite a possibility where I could get my iPhone stolen right here. But you gotta do what you gotta do, man. Anything for the content. The iPhone is safe, and this is what I use as a tripod. Guys, we were good to go, but the GoPro is giving me some issues. It is not really working. I will try to format it and try to start it again. Let's see how that goes. I'll do that midway, and right now let's just head to Mysuru. Guys, unfortunately the GoPro is not working, and now I have stopped here because we have such beautiful clouds, man. Look at that. Guys, to be honest, I'm extremely bummed out because I couldn't motovlog for you guys. It's very sad, but I mean, can't really help it. The GoPro, I'm trying to fix this on the go. Let's hope it works. At least I could get a 15-second clip, hopefully. But yeah, so far so good. Guys, I have now stopped to rest for a bit. Resting for like 5 minutes now, and the GoPro now decides to work, surprisingly. Anyways, now I motovlog. Let's go. And the ride has been pretty fun so far. Never knew this bike could be this comfortable. I'm riding in slower speeds, around 80, 90. That's what I'm maintaining. And I'm currently waiting in Mysuru. Hopefully the GoPro works while I'm on the road. And yes, I'll catch you guys on the road. Let's go. I can finally motovlog. I don't know how the audio is going to be, guys, because I don't have a mic attached to the GoPro. I am screaming at the top of my lungs so that you guys can hear. But when I'm on the bike, I don't think you guys can hear absolutely anything because of the wind noise. I just realized I've never put out a motovlog on my channel. So everything new in this video, starting from me riding all the way to Mysuru on this beautiful machine. Now let's get going. I hope it is still recording. It still is. Let's go. Guys, I have taken another short break. My back is killing me now. I know a while ago I just said how comfortable the ride was. Nah fam, I've been constantly riding since a very long time. I don't even know, I haven't checked the time.
What?
But yeah, we're very close to Mysuru now. We're just one city away. I'm so glad the GoPro started working, man. I was all excited once the GoPro started working. I'm like, yes, let's go, we can motovlog. Guys, this is actually my first time I've ridden the bike this far. I've gotten a bike to Mysuru because I've always traveled by car to Mysuru, and this is just such a good experience. And the frame behind me is just... What? And the frame behind me is just too good. Look at that. To catch you guys once I reach Mysuru. I have the GoPro view. Can this be a thumbnail? Let's see. Let's go. go! It's good to be back here. Man, I don't know how to motovlog. Motovlogging is difficult. This is my first time doing it. And while I'm in Mysuru, I'll plan on going out on a few rides. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, my first motor vlog. Do let me know how the GoPro angle is. I have no clue how the GoPro is recording. But yeah, I think it's time to close out today's video, guys. There's nothing much to add and I'm almost home. Whoa, it's not green yet, Sam. Now it's green. Yes guys, I think it's time to close out today's video. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new. Other than that, it's been your boy Pradeep Sharma. See you guys in the next vlog. Peace.